Hi YouTube, on board the Steamship Freshspring again. I apologise for the probably somewhat echoey sound and also the slightly dodgy lighting conditions. We're looking at the moment up out of one of the water tanks. The water tanks, of course, the very reason for Freshspring's existence. There's 6 in total. Each one, these 4 are very similar in size. The 2 aft tanks are significantly smaller, about half the size. So we're just looking up out of the tank at the moment. The orange hose you see is just a ventilation hose that we've put in place because we're working down here, of course, in a confined space. So you can see the ladder coming down here. What we're actually doing today is, in the past, someone's cut, sorry, I'm trying to wave a light and a camera at the same time. Someone's cut a doorway here, hopefully you can see that, or begun to cut a doorway here between the 2 tanks. So this is the centre line of the ship, the keel, of course, below us. And we're going to need to weld that back up to restore the structural integrity of the ship. So we're just trying to take off the coating around it, which of course is sort of tar based, so it wouldn't be good for welding next to. Just have a little look round and you'll see the size of the space. It's about 15 feet in diameter, square, and you can see, hopefully, how well you can see, I don't know, but you can hopefully see the sort of size of it. I'm 6'2", and currently the camera's at about my nose level, so they're a good 10 feet or more in height. We're currently stood on some wood which is sat on the frames, but then you've got another foot or so beneath, which is right down, that's the bottom of the ship there, where you see that blue piece of pipe and the yellow bit of pipe actually. So yeah, I mean, this is the, as I say, the very reason for Freshspring's existence, and originally this would have been full of water. At the moment we have a little bit of water in one of them, but most of them we use for storage, so we just got bits of wood and so on in here. And of course these pipes here are the pipes which transfer the water around. So this one coming along on the right of the 2 is the one going to the forward water tank on this side. We're currently on the port side, or left side if you like, of the ship, and then the other one there goes to the suction, so that you could suck from any one of the 4 forward tanks, and of course the aft tanks as well. And there's some valves up on deck to control that, and of course the pumps are all in the engine room. Hope you've enjoyed this. Maybe not the most exciting space on the ship, but certainly the most important when she was built. So look out for our other videos. Take care.